Okay, so hello and welcome back to another coin video. As you can see on my table, quite a lot of coins. Most of these are going on for sale. But in today's video, we have a whole bunch of new items. So this is from a single seller. Actually, I think it might be two. But all my coins fell off the table. But one of the sellers, actually both of them, they combine coins that have quite a lot of monetary value with coins that are pretty worthless. So I think I will just do the top ones. Yeah, maybe I'll go a lot of sticky tape, they get stuck together. So I'll have a look at the other ones in another video. But as you can see, it's all different denominations from different countries. So the first coin we have is a Bulgarian 10 leva, and this is from 1930. So I believe it's a copper and nickel version. And here we have an engraving. I can't remember the horseman, but it's got the date there, 814. And it's supposed to be part of the First Bulgarian Empire, which I believe were not actually Slavic people, but they were people who spoke a language closer to Finnish and Hungarian. So this coin's probably worth about $5 or $10. Yeah, just remember, Bulgaria did go through hyperinflation. Okay, next coin's from Swaziland, or it's called Eswatini, and this is a 1 Lelangeni 1975. These sell for about $20. So considering I purchased that one for, I think, $20, yeah. So this coin actually makes up for it. But we have a better coin. We have a Hungarian Tupanga. This is a silver coin. Oh, sorry, that one's copper nickel. So this is a silver coin. I think it has a silver value of about $8. And this is just the normal issue of Hungary. So we have the coat of arms of Hungary with two angels on the side. And we have the oldest crown. I believe that's supposed to be a crown that was donated by the Byzantine Empire. So pretty much the Roman Empire. We've got Hungary Republic up the top, Tupengo. This is probably worth about $50. And here we have Lady Madonna. 1937, and I just looked up the mintage. It's about 1.5 million of these. And this is quite a nice design coin. I do have an old denier of Hungary, and it has this coin. And here's the edging, quite nice. So if you can get one of these for $20, you're doing actually fine because they cost generally $50. Okay, we'll look at the other coins in here. We'll go through the common coins. So here is Saudi Arabian, so that's the coat of arms. And this is I think Bash, I can't remember the denomination. But this is issued in the 1950s. And it is probably worth about $5. Then we have a Chinese coin. So here we have the flag of the Kuomintang or Taiwan, and here we have the flag of China with different colors. And this just says Zhongguo, Republic of China, and that should be the place of issue. So 10 cash, Republic of China, and 10 cash in there. So this is probably about $5, $10 coin. So this deal is actually quite good. Okay, next one, 1935 penny. Yeah, it's probably worth about $1 or $2. It's got whatever you want to call it: bronze disease, verdigris, coin cancer, that green stuff, copper sulfate. And this one's in very fine condition. The last coin we have is an 1835. We won't call it Anna, East Indian Company. So this circulated in India, and it took over from the President's series. So Bengal, Bombay, and the Madras presidencies, which were just divisions. And we have the coat of arms of the East India Company. So I do sell these in this condition for about $10. Okay, so the next coins we have, we can rip them up. Okay, we have a 1910 coin from Sri Lanka, 25 cents. Another Indian, actually we've got two Indian, 1/12 of a piece. Oh, I got one half a piece and 1/12. So let me see if we can take this out. 1929. Oh, it has ring cards on it. And yeah, that's in very fine condition. So probably about $5 to $10 for that. Then we have, okay, so we got half a piece. So one piece is a quarter of an anna. So this is half, so this is pretty much just double the value of this will be 1/6 of an anna. That one there. 1885, so this should be Queen Victoria. Oh my god, that's in pretty good condition. So I don't know the price of that, but if I was guesstimate, I would say probably at least $20. That depends on the mintage, because I don't know. If it's pretty low, then it should actually get a good price. But that's probably EF condition coin. So that's actually quite a nice catch. Then we have a Republic franchise. So we have probably Mariam, that's supposed to be 1892. This is a 1 cent from Indochina, and Indochina currently makes up Vietnam, Laos, and Cambodia. And it's 10 grams. So I believe these sell for at least $30 to $40. It's probably in very fine condition, but it's one that I don't have. Okay, so then we have a large coin. This looks like a Brazilian coin. Yeah, 400 Rs. So it says Republic of the United States of Brazil. So you got United States of America, United States of Mexico, and United States of Brazil. This one looks like you might think that's a cud. That's just a vowel emphasis. So 1931. And this is probably about $5. Okay, then we have some other coins. So here we have a Equatorial Africa 25 francs, and this one is 1956. Yeah, these sell for probably about $5 to $10. Aluminium bronze coin. Then we have a, looks like a silver coin from the Bahamas. So I don't think the 50-cent coin is actually widely used. The color looks like 50 cents. So it's probably a set issue. Someone's broken up a set. And just the feel of it, it hasn't been in circulation. And even around here, it's like sharp. And here we have a swordfish. Yeah, so this is probably, I'd say probably at least $20. Pity someone broke up a set with that. Then we have a French limited issue. So this is a 1903 25 centimeters. I think it's a nickel coin. It was the largest nickel coin. The half franc, or 50 centimeters, was a silver coin. So this is the highest denomination in pretty much base metals. So probably about $5 for that. So overall, it's been pretty good so far. Okay, let's have a look at the rest of the coins. So here we have a, probably fine condition Australian footprints of 1939. Yeah, I'd say a few dollars for that. And a straight settlements 1927, 10 cents. So that's currently Malaysia and Singapore. And this is probably in very fine condition. Yeah, so probably, I would say at least $20 for that coin. So just remember, these my coins are just guesstimates because coin values change all the time. But let's get on with it. We have a 1908 half penny, not half penny, a penny from the UK. So 1908, this would have also been issued in New Zealand and Australia, and it Probably never circulated in Canada. So yeah, probably about $1 for that. It's just a well circulated coin in fine, probably very good condition. In Ireland, 1928, it's the first year of issue, so it has the harp. And yeah, I'd say VF bordering EF, so probably about $5 to $10. High mint coin, I think there's at least 3 or 4 million of them produced. Then we have a large 10 centimeters from France. Yeah, once again VF condition, but it has nice patina in it, and it's starting to be wear off because people are touching it. Yeah, so depending on mintage, probably about $5 to $10. And the coin is worth $1. So this is a former coin of Solomon Islands, 50 cent. Has an exchange rate of about, so you need 80 cents equal 10 cents Australian. So this is worth less than 10 cents. But they did change their coins in 2000 I can't remember. 2012. A lot of Pacific countries changed their coins around that time. And these ones you can't use anymore. That's actually quite nice. It has the coat of arms. And we have only got 6 more coins left. Wow. And these ones, the ones I got left, are actually quite good. Okay, so the next coin that we have is Grosso from 1840, and I did look this up. It's one of the few coins I did look up. This is from the Russian partition of Poland, or the Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth, which is more democratic than those countries. So in the 1780s, 1840s, Prussia, which is part of Germany now, Austria and Russia divided this country up because it's quite a large country. It went all the way down to Ukraine. And incorporated territories into their countries. So they issued their own coinage in each of the separate places until that coinage was replaced by the standard circulating coins of those countries. This is a free grosso, and you need 30 grosso equals 1 zloty, and 1 zloty is equivalent to 15 kopecks. So this is equivalent to 1.5 kopecks. But if you want to buy this coin, I'd say at least $50 for this. They're not that readily. In 1840 at a mintage of about 114,000, so this is even a lot harder to get. Then we have a coin of Libya. Okay, State of Grand Libya. So this is a 1 piastre. So 1 pound equals 100 piastres. 1925. There's 2 lines on it. Quite nice. And this coin, yeah, probably at least $10 for that. But once again, I need to look it up. And here we have an 1870 coin from Belgium. So that's in French. And this is good. It has a die crack. Yeah, there you go. There's a die crack going around up here, which is actually quite nice. But because it's quite circulated, it's a bit hard to tell. You need to actually get the light right. And say 2 cent. Here's the lion with the Constitution. Quite a nice coin. I do have quite a few Belgium coins. Next one we have is 1884 Portuguese, and this is a Portuguese India, Otávio de Tanga. So I think there's a 1 Tanga coin, but I'll need to look that up. I'm not too familiar with Portuguese Indian coins, but I don't have it, so I'm going to keep that. Yeah, no, I would say if it was to sell, probably at least $10 to $20. Indian coins are actually not that common. The last one we have is no coin, looks like from South America. It is from Peru. I recognize that coat of arms. Republic Peruana MMM 1831. And what's the denomination? This Should be one of the soles. Okay. I don't know the denomination. Probably a fifth of the sole. It's actually quite a small coin. Probably weighs about 1 or 2 grams. Look at the actual side. Obviously, it does have some type of milling, but it's a bit hard to tell. Yeah, anti-counterfeiting feature. But that's actually, that's probably the best coin out of the lot that I'm going to show you today. Yeah, and I'd say these coins are quite expensive. Probably at least $50 for that coin. So, but I'm going to keep that one. I actually like the old style designs of these Peruvian coins. Anyway, out of that lot, so we actually, that was how many? That was only 3 lots, so that was about $60 worth. And basically, there's a lot more than $60 in this coin, so you got at least 50. Yeah, so probably those 2 coins, at least $100 there. So anyway, I'd like to say thank you very much and have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.